The Weathertech front and rear no drill mud flaps in black are a good choice for any 14 or newer Silverado owner looking to protect their factory paint and body panels from potential damage caused by road debris, weather elements, and off-road messes. The main thing with this set is that they do not require any drilling thanks to the quick connectors on each flap that hook onto your wheel wells. Thanks to that, I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, but we'll talk about that later on. Weathertech is known for making very protective parts for both interior and exterior of trucks and Mustangs, and these are absolutely no different. Now, great for the daily driver because road debris and rocks can take a toll on your factory paint as well as the weather elements. Now, these are especially useful for even the occasional off-roader out there kicking up some mud onto your side panels constantly. Now, it does lose a little bit of ground clearance, but if you're not tackling huge obstacles, it wouldn't be an issue. Now, you're probably going into the trails expecting to get dirty, but these will also protect from kicking up rocks and other trail hazards. Speaking of all year-round usage, salt during the winter months pose a threat to your factory paint and eventually cause rust and corrosion. Now, protecting your investment with these flaps can be a lifesaver in the future. Now, of course, when it comes to protection, there needs to be a durable construction and build behind it, right? Now, these are absolutely no different. Manufactured out of rugged thermoplastic resin materials for unquestionable protection, all specifically molded for your exact model and year. They're also impact resistant, so the rocks won't chip, crack, or eventually fade the finish of these flaps, which is a huge plus. If this is something you think you could benefit from, then you can pick up a set for the front and the rear for just about $80, which makes them one of the most affordable options in the category, when some of the options that require drilling can end up running you a bit more. So it's really a no-brainer in my personal opinion. Unless you're looking for options with logos and the materials and things of that nature, this is a very good basic set with a simpler is better kind of mentality. Now, if you're looking for just the rears or just the fronts, they're available separately for just about half the price. Just a quick note, these will not work on Silverados with Fender Flares of any kind, so just keep that in mind moving forward. Speaking of that no drill installation, that's a really huge bonus compared to some of the other options on the market. The install won't even require any real tools to get the job done because of that quick turn application and method. Now, the back of the flaps, there's a little lever that turns and locks your wheel wells for a very simple install, all made with stainless steel for durability and reliability. Now, reusing your factory holes and hardware taking about 15 minutes worth of time. There's no drilling, none of that good stuff. 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Just to wrap things up here, if you're the owner of a 2014 or newer Silverado without Fender Flares, then you should check out the Weathertech front and rear no drill mud flaps in black, which you can find right here at AmericanTrucks.com.